transit and while indoors in public.
Well, starting tomorrow, more venues in Maryland will reopen, including gyms, malls, and casinos, except for the MGM in National Harbor. Prince George's County says the county just isn't ready for that step just yet. Earlier this week, ABC 7 showed you the steps being taken in Maryland live to keep guests safe. Now, I just tweeted a link to that story. I'm at Carl Willis TV. You'll also find it on WJLA.com/coronavirus. All right, we are transitioning to the weather right now. And guys, I don't know about you, but it was hot and humid out there when I stepped outside.
Yeah, but the good news is, Bill, we, at least in my neighborhood, we dodged a lot of the rain.
Yeah, not just your neighborhood, a lot of neighborhoods around the area. I mean, truth be told, far less rain than I expected this afternoon. No question about it. That low pressure a little bit farther off to the west, and that has taken a lot of that energy with it. So let me get you out the door here. You got some clouds around where I am here in Northern Virginia, and that's kind of the rule, mix of sun and cloud. So here's what it looks like in Northwest D.C. Talk about some current temperatures. We're into the mid and upper 70s and 80s right now in many spots around our region. 80 on the nose in D.C., 77 Chantilly, Gaithersburg, Manassas. It's in the mid 70s around Martinsburg, a little bit cooler farther off to the east, up and down the west, down the Shenandoah Valley. But outside this evening, you see temperatures are going to be into the 70s. They'll stay there with just a stray shower. That should be the extent of it. Clouds and radar, not a lot to speak of. Of course, the radar is the green, and you can see that there's more of that off to the left-hand side of your screen there on the map as that weather system is to the west. You get to West Virginia, Ohio, parts of Kentucky. That is where all the rain is now. Doesn't mean we're not going to see rain. In fact, I want to talk about your future cast here as we go into the evening tonight. Stray thunderstorms, certainly not out of the question. But notice as I advance this through the evening, we'll stop this at say 9:30 or so, take you a little bit deeper, closer to midnight. You see that there's very little in the way of these blips of green, which would be the showers. Off and on showers, plan on it, but I wouldn't expect it. What I mean by that is you'll have more dry time if you're going out tonight than you will have showers. If you get a shower, it's going to pass on by. Tomorrow morning, out the door, we're going to see just some stray showers here and there. Those go through the morning hours. When we get into the afternoon hours, we pick up a little bit more in the way of pop-up showers and some thunderstorms. If you happen to get under some of these, you're going to see some heavy rain, could have the lightning and, of course, the thunder threat. This goes right on into your Friday evening, but severe weather is unexpected. Flooding, for the most part, is unexpected. Maybe just some localized spots where you get a little bit of some heavy rain. That is it. All said and done, pretty quiet, but that trend will go right into the weekend as well. So hour by hour tomorrow, off and on rain with the potential for storms. It will be muggy out there with temperatures in the low 80s. Your weekend outlook, low 80s on Saturday. Sunday, your Father's Day, 86 degrees. We're still tracking those showers and those storms both days and beyond. We go into next week, and it's one of these patterns where we'll get these pop-up showers and storms mainly afternoon and early evening. But because we're going to get more sunlight and because that low is kicking on out of here and we'll bring in a southerly wind, notice the numbers into the 90s from Monday, Tuesday, well, pretty much through most, if not all, of next week. So it will certainly feel like summer. That officially starts on Saturday at 5:43 p.m. Carl, we'll send it on over to you.
All right, Bill, thank you very much. And we continue to follow breaking news out of Prince George's County, where Police Chief Hank Stawinski has resigned. That resignation comes after complaints from some officers about discrimination within the force. ABC 7 Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell, along with Annalisa Gale, are working on this story and will have more details and reaction tonight at 11.
Next at 6, 7's on your side with what you need to know about rallies and road closures for Juneteenth.
MyBob's.com is the only place on the web where you can get the famous Bob's discount on living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, mattresses, and more. Stocked up and ready to ship with new delivery options, plus help and expertise from an experienced sales manager by phone. Only at MyBob's.com.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
I know this guy. I've talked to him on the phone. He knows his stuff.
Maggie, Jeff. So nice to finally put faces to the names. Woo! You guys got the key?
No.
No worries. Chill. It's probably around here somewhere. Probably under like a fake rock or something.